Now, very simple.
You can
The basic. Can we do the basic communication today, Arjun? Arjun, do you have any idea about French before?
Yes, I know how to say how are you, what is your name.
Okay. Okay, fine. So I'll be telling you about how we are going to conduct such classes, okay? Manoj and Arjun. So basically, what we are going to do is that for making the learning factor better, what I have done is that I have pre-recorded the grammar concepts because grammar concepts require a lot of memorizing and a lot of revision from time to time. Okay. So for example, if right now we, finish our A1 or A2, and let's suppose after a year or two, you plan to give your exams. And if at that moment you find out somewhere that, you have certain difficulty, of course, you can approach me anytime, anywhere, even after 10 years or even after 15 years being my students. Okay. But now, the issue arises इसकी खुद से पढ़ना है तो आप क्या करोगे? Okay, in such cases what you do is that you can quickly refer to my pre-recorded lectures. So how we are going to go about is that the TEF or DELF exam is divided into 4 parts. Now 4 parts are listening, reading, writing and speaking. For somebody who's already familiar with IELTS exam, this is the very same thing. Okay, can you see me now? Hello.
No.
Hello.
Not yet.
Hello. Can you see me now?
No.
Still no?
No, it's buffering. Yeah,
Yes,
now
yes.
now I can see you.
Yeah? Can you see me
Yes.
now? Is that
Yes.
cool? Okay,
Yeah.
cool. So basically what I was saying is कि यहाँ पे ना 4 parts होते हैं, which is reading, writing, speaking and pronunciation, or you can say a conversation kind of thing. Okay. So what happens is, what is the mistake that usually other learners make is कि either they can take out time for reading or either for speaking. But in our classes, what we are going to do is we want all 4 of them to go hand in hand. So what I have done is I have made a list of pre-recorded lectures, and besides that we have our live lectures. For example, today I will be going through small concepts of the video which you're going to watch the next in the next session basically. And uske baad ke session mein we are going to discuss how to make the use of pronunciation, how to make it better in terms of conversation. Okay. For example, today if we do some kind of communication, short communication, some alphabets and some one like numbers, in the next session, which will be a pre-recorded session, which will be given to you, and you have to make sure that you solve it. You watch the video, you solve me the notes, okay? Because that will be a big turning point for me to understand that whether whether your strength is either listening, or do you can you can pick up words better fast, or can you take time to take grammar or to understand grammar. Okay, for that purpose. Do you understand, Arjun and Manoj?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so for this reason, okay, so everything will be given out as a PPT. There will be an extra notes, there will be exercises also. So before the next lecture, for example, if our next lecture is on Friday, let's suppose, oh sorry, on Saturday, so aap logo ka, you will have to send it to me on Friday. You'll have to send it to me, the exercises which I'll be giving you before Friday, like on Friday at least before 10 p.m. so that I can check it. Okay, is that cool?
Yeah, understood.
Okay, don't be notorious at all. Please do that. Okay, I do not like to crib about homeworks, everything. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, great. Uh, okay. So now we are moving on to Les Alphabet. Can you all see this, or should I zoom?
It's fine. It's visible.
It's fine. Okay, fine then. So now basically I'll show you that A is pronounced as the letter A. Okay, जैसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना A comme avion. Avion means aeroplane. Okay. Now B come ba, 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 teau. ये जब हमारा eau होता है ना, sorry, जब there is eau over here, जैसे यहाँ पे है eau at the end, it is like the letter O. If you all can't see me, please tell me. Okay, I cannot see you, and if you have any conversation also, please tell me. Okay. B come ba to. eau is like the letter O. Okay. Se come kahiye. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello? Okay.
Yes.
Se come kahiye. Now they come dos. Dos means dance. Okay, the dance. So now remember कि in French ना there's no harsh letters. जैसे हिंदी में होते ना ड. Okay, ड. ड्रम का ड जो होता है एकदम strong sound, that is not there in French. और फिर हिंदी में there is also ट. Okay, ट. The t sound is also not there in French. Okay, so it will all of them will be very soft sounds, which will be l, t, the. Okay, all of them will be very soft sounds. Please keep it in mind. So they come dos. A, B, C, D, E. Now remember, this is a little tricky over here. E जो होता है ना, it is like a. So excellent, excellent. You will understand this when you little bit ज़्यादा pronunciation जब हम practice करेंगे तब. Okay. F come fur. Fur means fire. Okay. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Now comes the turning point. ठीक है. जो letter G होता है English में, that is pronounced as the letter J. Okay, J. Remember the letter J. But the pronunciation is still gar. Okay, gar. Ash. Now next letter is ash. Come It's Okay, E. Now I is pronounced as E. Okay, E come and means India. Okay. Now again the twisting point. जैसे G को J बोलते हैं तो वैसे ही J को बोलते हैं हम G. Okay, so it's jambe. G come jambe. Okay, interchanged. Now Manoj, can you tell me one example with B? How do you pronounce B in French?
B is known as B, baton.
Très bien. Now Arjun, can you tell me one example with F? How do you pronounce F in French?
F means F is F. So this will
Très
be
bien.
fire.
So it's pronounced as fur.
Okay.
Fur. Okay. Now, can you tell me, Manoj, can you give me one example of how do we pronounce the English letter G?
Z.
Once again,
Z.
J.
J. J.
Okay, J. Okay, can you give me one example?
J.
No, example. Example.
It's J.
Example of the word will be gar. Over here, can you see?
Okay, gar.
Gar. Okay, because that is the example, no?
Yes.
That's why. Okay. Now, Arjun, can you please quickly give me one example with the English letter J?
Jambe.
No.
Jam.
In French, I'll tell you. In French, ना जब भी हम we say the letters A-N, E-N, A-M, E-M या फिर ऐसे कोई भी letters बोलते हैं, तो it becomes jambe. Jambe. A-M होता है ना वो, it's not like English. Jam नहीं बोलते हम, बोलते हैं jambe. Okay. Jambe. Can you try?
Jambe.
Jambe. And also in English, also in French, last letter जो होता है ना उसका sound नहीं होता, especially E. There are of course some letters which are exceptions, which we'll talk about very later. But for now, remember last letter का कोई sound नहीं होता, especially when it's E. So that is why this is not jambe, it will be jambe. Okay, beep is stop.
Okay, jambe.
Très bien, très bien. Arjun, you want to try once?
Jambe.
Super, super. Okay. Now, Manoj, can you please give me one example with the English letter E?
E is A.
Maybe one word with the English letter E in French.
Excellent.
Excellent. जिसे हम comment बोलते हैं ना, comment.
Okay, okay.
C-O-M-M-E-N-T, comment. So वैसे ही excellent.
Excellent.
Okay, understood?
Yeah, excellent.
T नहीं pronounce करना.
Excellent.
Excellent. Très bien. Now, can you tell me, Arjun, that with the English letter I, one example with the English letter I.
So E and in.
नो, इन फ्रेंच IN को हम प्रोनाउंस करेंगे and. ओके, and. ओके, and.
And.
या and. ये ना छोटे छोटे प्रोनाउंसिएशंस है विच यू नो आर फॉर यू द फर्स्ट टाइम. तो आप लोग क्या करना, द नेक्स्ट प्री रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर विच आई एम सेंडिंग इट टू यू, देयर आर गोइंग टू बी लाइक 3 to 4 videos. One is going to be about communication, how do you communicate. Second one is going to be about how you're going to make use of the alphabets. Third is going to be again about basic communication in the advanced form, and a little bit about everything. Okay, mixture. तो ये सारे वीडियोस जब आप देखोगे ना, एंड यू विल कम अक्रॉस दिस न्यू वर्ड्स जैसे avion, bateau, cahier, dos, excellent. What you do is you repeat after me. You pause the video, you repeat after me, because these all will give you small ideas कि आगे जाके if you ever come across a new word जो you have never learned before in French, तो वो सारे क्यू से आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा कि हम मुझे अब कैसे करना है. ओके, quick example. I guess I have given you this example, Manoj, before only. Do you remember in our class we did this?
Yes.
जैसे आपका हो गया como. Okay. I have written somewhere. I cannot get it. I'll just write it in the chat box because I cannot write it over here. Como. Okay. So this is como. I'll just write it in the chat box. Okay. Como है जैसे. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, okay, great. So over here, so I'm writing down she. If somebody asks you, "Comment allez-vous?" So how will you reply?
Ça va bien.
Je, like engage.
Ça va
Okay,
bien.
je. E पे stop हो जाएगा sound, so it's going to be je.
Je vais bien.
Super. Arjun, can you try?
Je vais bien.
Super. Je vais bien. तो BIEN को हम pronounce करते हैं bien. So in the same way, how am I going to pronounce this? Can you tell me?
Rien.
Rien.
Très bien. Now, next one is this rien का meaning होता है nothing. Nothing. Okay, rien. Now, this one means CH को ना हम, if there is CHAT, which means a cat, तो हम उसे बोलते हैं शा. शा. Okay. CHAT is called as शा. तो CHIEN को कैसे pronounce करेंगे हम?
Chien.
शिया. Because no. CHAT को हम pronounce करते हैं शा. तो sh का sound है ना. So this tells us that CH has the sound of sh. Okay. So similarly, while we are saying CHIEN, the CH ka sound will become sh, which is shia. Did you understand?
Yeah. Shia.
Shia. Okay. Okay. I cannot see you also. You'll have to stop me, or you'll have to tell me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Cool then. How do I go back to my slide? Okay, got that. So now, till now, we have done A to J. Okay. Now we'll do J to Z. Just a second now. Now, very simple. जो ये KLMNO है ना, the KLMNO, it's same like in English. जैसा हम English में होता है ना, same way it is KLMNO. So K for K come kangaroo. I told you ना an का sound will be o. Okay, kangaroo. Remember कि मैंने बिया शिया रिया का एग्जाम्पल क्यों दिया था? Since you all know je vais bien, इसलिए आप आगे के वर्ड्स खुद से कर पाए even though they were new. Okay, so remember the same logic. इसलिए आप लोगों को ये पूरे जब वीडियोस देखोगे आप तो you'll have to learn all of them. तो जाके आपको दूसरे साउंड्स जब नए साउंड्स आएंगे तब जाके आपको याद होगा. Okay, then that's when you're going to be able to memorize it. Okay, now K come kangaroo, L come lion. O and na, that's why it's a little bit nasal. As I told you, A N A M O N सारे सब nasal sounds है. So it's going to be lion. Okay, M come money. Money means money. Okay, money. N come nature. Na NA is one sound. Okay, जब भी कभी A is going to be there in any word, so you elevate the sound as A. So it becomes na ture. Okay. O come poignant. Now try this. This is a little bit difficult. Okay. Do you remember I taught you a very new concept which meant जब आप TOI को क्या बोलते हो आप लोग? What do you call TOI?
Tua.
Wow.
Trebia. So similarly, OI को आप बोलोगे ua. Okay, ua. OI is ua. Now GN is near. So it will become wainyo. Wainyo. Can you try? Wainyo.
Wine.
Trebia.
Oi,
Okay.
can you repeat?
Uai. जैसे TOI को हम बोलते हैं ना तुआ. तो similarly OI उसमें से ले लेंगे हम which will become ua. Wainyo. Can you try? Arjun?
Wainyo.
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 Trebia. Okay. Now the next one is pay. Now KLMNO is the same as in English. A P will become pay. Pay come paw. PAN is paw. TA is ta. Pawn ta law. Paw ta law. Okay. AN है इसलिए मैं Trebia. Super.
Pontalon.
Super. Are you all understanding? No, मैं जो last n है वो नहीं pronounce करो. I'm making it nasal. Pontalon. Okay. Now the next one is Q. Now Q है ना तो ये थोड़ा pressure देना पड़ेगा, which will be like Q. Okay, Q. It will be the actual letter Q, actual word Q. So okay. अब जब भी कभी QUI आता है, so it will become like the K. K in Hindi is there, no? So K. अगर QUI आता है तो it will become key. So it will become keys. Okay, keys.
Please.
Okay. Now this is the most difficult letter. Next वाला R. R. Okay, यहाँ से आता है वो R. So this is now called as Ray. RAI is Ray. SIN is Za. Ray Za.
Reza.
Reza.
N is silent. N is silent.
Yeah, N is silent. जो RAI है, as I told you ना पहले भी जब भी IN आया था एक जगह and में I come and था ना E come and था, तो similarly जब भी IN आता so we make it Reza.
Okay, Reza.
Now S plus vowel जब होता है तभी हम sound बनाते हैं Z का. Okay, S plus vowel is always equal to the Z sound. Reza. ये सारी चीजें ना एक साथ इतनी सारी नहीं करेंगे हम. We will make it part by part. Okay, so you don't have to worry.
Okay.
Then next is Escom sac. S काफी simple है. Escom sac. Now C हम यहाँ पे pronounce कर रहे हैं. Okay, sac. Tecom table. Tecom table. Okay, Tecom table. Now quickly, Arjun, can you please pronounce for me the letter P in French?
Te.
Très bien. Can you give me one example of the word?
Table.
Pantalon. It's the letter
Pantalon.
P. Pantalon.
P. Okay.
Okay.
Pantalon.
Super.
Pantalon.
Manoj, can you give me one example with the letter N? One example of word.
Okay. N is N. Nature.
Super. Très bien. Okay.
E silent. E silent.
या ई जब भी एंड में होंगे तभी साइलेंट ही होगा, जैसे मोने, ई का कोई साउंड है ही नहीं वहां पे भी.
Okay.
ओके. मोने, table, no sound. Okay.
Okay.
Now the next one is Arjun. Can you please quickly pronounce a letter? Sorry, a word from Q. Q.
Keys.
Super. Manoj, can you please pronounce a word from R, which is air?
It's razor.
Reza.
Reza.
Okay.
Reza.
Super. Now the next one is U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. Now U is pronounced as the letter U. Okay. U. Université. I will break it like this. Université. Université. जो E पे एक U है, that you will know in your fourth or third lecture probably, not right now. Okay. Not mixing up and jumbling things for you all. Université.
University.
Okay. Now V is for Vacom Va. Vacom Va. जैसे रेजा था ना, similarly Va. W. Okay, W. Now W means W. Okay, because V is called as V. So what is W? Basically, two V's, no. So that's why it's W, which is weekend. It's same as English, weekend. Okay. Now X is called as X. Xavier. Xavier. Y is called as year. 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 Okay. EUX तीनों का sound कुछ भी नहीं है. It's just year. Okay. Z is zero. Zero. Okay. Is that clear, Manoj and Arjun?
What is that? Zero? How to? Zero.
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 Yes. Okay. Now, I guess I actually have to go to my doctor's appointment today. So that is why I'll be just doing this much and I'll be sending you the videos. And
Okay.
iske baad, we'll be catching up on the next class, which is going to be having, like, it's going to be a little longer. I'm so sorry that I took some time to figure out the everything, technicalities of this. That is why it was, we had to rush it through. Isliye. So we have done alphabets today, which is somewhat. We will do it once again in the next lecture because I want to clear out your pronunciation doubts and your other doubts also, which will be coming across, just a pronunciation, conversation, and there are also going to be tests. Okay. So if you want, you can send a test to the person who you have been in touch with. So they will send it to me. Or if I want, I'll figure out some another solution for this so that all of us can, share the notes, exchange our pronunciation voice notes and everything. Okay. So after this, no, in the videos also there are tests. Okay. जैसे यहाँ पे dictation है, so there's going to be dictation tests also in the video, and the answers are also given. But however, I would want you to do it first, pause the video there and then do it, so that I will understand कि आपको कितना आता है, आपका कहाँ mistakes हो रहा है, are there any particular sound which you are not able to do. So everything in together, we'll be discussing over that. Okay. And please don't copy. Please don't copy. Don't copy. Please send me your work on time. I will appreciate it the most. Okay. You give 100%, I'll give 200%. That's my guarantee. Okay.
Sure.
How will we submit the work?
On WhatsApp, you all have been in connection with in WhatsApp.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Okay. So on
To
WhatsApp,
Payal or to you?
I'll just figure it out with Payal and I'll send you the videos at least. आप वो तो देखना चालू हो जाए, and then you can send me the, and also जो notes होंगे ना, so notes are going to be different PDF. There is going to be different PDF of exercises. Okay. So दोनों में भी just do not get इतना, you do not have to get very tensed. थोड़ा ऐसे ठंडे mind से just go for it. That's it. Okay. Don't be extensed ki, well, how am I going to do, what am I going to do if it is going in the right way. Just give it 2 weeks and I'll guarantee that in this 2 weeks I'll be there with you and we'll be doing the best, and in this 2 weeks you will be able to describe your family. That's my guarantee. Okay. Keep everything aside. Cool. Do you all have any questions, Manoj and Arjun?
Sure. What about the study material? How we
Yeah,
are
that
going
is
to
the
use
study
this?
material. That is the study material. So with every video that you watch, there will be a one video which is going to be given to you in advance. And every video that you watch, uske baad, there are going to be notes and PPT that is involved, and that will be given out to you. Okay. So this is your study material. And there will also be one more PDF which we are going, like it's an international book. That's why we do not get a copy, physical copy in hand over here. Okay. I tried getting it printouts also, but वो नहीं हो पा रहा है because the quality is lost while the printing and stuff. So इसलिए we'll be studying from the digital copy, which I'll be sending you across also. And everything will fall in place once we finish our A1. Okay, once we finish our A1. Is that
Okay.
cool?
Okay.
By the end, we'll be practicing everything that we want to. You'll be able to sing songs in French also. You don't have to worry about that. Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Well,
Arjun,
looking
any
forward
questions?
to
Yeah. Arjun, any questions?
No, none.
Sure.
Yeah. So actually, one thing, the notes will be available on this site or on WhatsApp.
On WhatsApp only. I'll be giving you everything on WhatsApp via Pile, or if it's a group or anything, I'll just discuss it with her and then get back to you. Is that fine?
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, perfectly.
Okay, sure. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Thank you. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au
Au
revoir.
revoir. Au revoir.
Au revoir.